In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customers in Xero. This process is quick and easy, and once you're done, you'll be ready to manage your customer relationships effectively using Xero accounting software. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step guide. First off, once you're logged into Xero, take a look towards the top navigation bar. You'll notice several tabs there, and the one we're interested in for this process is labeled Contacts. You'll want to click on that. Now, clicking on Contacts will open up a list of options, but for the purpose of setting up customers, we are specifically going to focus on customers. Go ahead and click on Customers, and this will lead you to a dedicated page designed for managing all things related to your customer accounts. Once you're on the Customers page, you're going to find a button with the label New Contact displayed quite prominently. By clicking on New Contact, you're taking yourself to a form where you can fill in the details of your new customer. This is where your journey into creating a comprehensive customer profile begins. Have ready the customer's company name, the primary contact person, and any other crucial contact details. These elements are vital for ensuring you capture everything needed to maintain accurate records. As you scroll down the form, you'll see that there's also room for business and address information. These sections are key for keeping your records organized, so make sure the information is up to date and correct. It's always a good practice to double-check during this phase, because the details you enter now will be used for future correspondence and record keeping. Further down the list, you'll have the opportunity to enter any financial details, such as credit terms or agreed pricing. Maintaining these financial particulars in Xero helps streamline financial tasks later. In addition, there's a section for tax details, which is crucial if you need to generate tax-compliant invoices or reports. Make sure this section is completed in accordance with your customer's tax profile. Moving along, you'll find sections for sales and purchase defaults. These settings play a significant role in simplifying transactions with your customer by automatically applying specific rules or accounts for sales and purchases. You'll want to adjust these settings to match the business relationship you have with this client. Finally, after you've finished inputting all the necessary details and reviewed them for accuracy, look for the Save and Close button located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will cement the creation of your new customer profile in Xero, ensuring all your data is securely saved and primed for future transactions. And there you have it. This efficient process ensures all essential customer information is easily accessible in Xero, allowing for organized and smooth management of customer relationships. Remember, consistently updating and verifying your customer data enhances your business's reliability and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for more tutorials.